In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to connect Restream chat to OBS. First of all, you have to start a live stream using Restream. From live stream dashboard, in this right hand menu, select chat, and here we can see my Restream chat panel. I'm sending some random messages first of all. Okay, now click on chat settings. And here you find your Restream chat settings. You can just go ahead and customize your chat settings from here. Then click on embed in stream. And here you get embed chat option. Just click on copy. Once you copied your Restream chat link, go back to your OBS Studio. Under sources, click on this plus icon, select browser. And I'm typing here Restream chat, clicking on OK. Pasting here the link, clicking on OK. And here, as you can see, I've successfully added my Restream chat to my OBS. So that's how you can actually do it.